How to select the right windows to improve lighting and ventilation in your kitchen. Dear friends, the kitchen is a crucial part of the home. Keeping this area clean and free from unwanted smoke, moisture and fumes are necessary. Proper ventilation is essential, to keep your kitchen free from dirt. Dampness and fire are prerequisites that we need to keep in mind before installing or reinstalling the windows. Most modern kitchens are small and their windows are beyond the kitchen slabs. However, accessibility and operability are essential features that need to be remembered while choosing a window type. Furthermore, natural light and ventilation are a must. While several window options are available in the market, aluminum and up windows are the best options for homeowners. These windows are made up of fire-retardant material. Since the kitchen is constantly exposed to oils and fumes, cleaning on a continuous basis is very important. UPVC and aluminum windows are easy to maintain and require very little effort while cleaning. Windows have different designs and you may choose them according to your need and preference. Provision for exhaust holes is provided in casement, slider and combination windows. Casement windows. Casement windows are advisable for kitchens where approachability is not an issue. The window is not obstructed by the countertop. You can open these windows partially or completely, based on your need. They provide ample natural light to the kitchen. Sliding windows. Slider windows are preferred for the modern kitchen. They are best for installation above kitchen sinks and countertops where accessibility may be a concern. These windows provide ample natural illumination and ventilation. Slider windows can combine with top and or bottom fixed options where the exhaust can be in the fixed part of the window. Tilt and turn windows. These are a special type of casement windows that can turn to operate like a normal casement window and tilt to open from the top for ventilation. They are excellent for insulating the kitchen. They brighten up the kitchen and provide ventilation. Owing to the tilt and turn operation, these windows can open only on the inside and should be in places where there is ample space for opening them. Picture windows. Large, fixed-pane windows that have low-profile frames to maximize your view are known as picture windows. While they provide ample light to your kitchen, the fixed pane makes them immobile and cannot provide the required ventilation. Fixed windows can be secondary windows instead of primary windows for making the kitchen bright with additional sunlight. Irrespective of the design that you choose, install a window with the help of a reliable installation expert. They will take the exact measurement and provide you with the most suitable window option that suits the construction of your kitchen. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.